Less than a week before Christmas, and sicknesses are widely spreading across Alabama.
We have had more ER visits and more diagnoses with RSV and influenza.
The Alabama Department of Public Health noting all respiratory viruses mimic each other in the beginning, usually with a fever, cough, and runny nose.
Yeah, take a look at this chart from the Alabama Department of Public Health. It shows the latest data from emergency visits for respiratory disease, all on the rise. The pink line is COVID-19, green is the flu, and orange is RSV. Now, you may be noticing an increase in cases of the flu in the Birmingham area, though not necessarily in emergency room visits. They do say they're seeing more flu than COVID-19 or RSV. They also say the flu shot is among their best advice to avoid the flu, or at least getting a less intense sickness, that is. UAB also recommending you wash your hands, and if you're out and about, if you're recovering from being sick or just having a compromised immune system, to wear a mask. But there is a simple way to avoid spreading any sickness.
If you are sick, we recognize that that's an inconvenience this time of year, but we also know from a public health standpoint, it's important that people stay home if they're sick. Meaning, if you have a fever, please stay home. Don't attend that holiday party or go to the family lunch that you might otherwise be considering.
UAB says they're seeing the typical flu symptoms this year: cough, runny nose, typical high fever, and muscle aches. If you notice these, contact your doctor. Well, with more people seeking medical treatment, Pickens County leaders are working to increase residents' access to emergency medical care.
Our WVTM 13's Zoe Blair explains their latest push.
Thousands of people across the country are sick with the flu, visiting their local emergency room just like this one. Except here in Pickens County, it's not possible. For these residents, their local emergency room closed its doors for good 5 years ago. Now, county leaders are working together to get those doors back open.
The hospital board, they're fighting through this. All the county commissioners, mayors, we're all pushing that we want this ER open.
Carrollton Mayor Mickey Walker says for that to happen, first they have to get the ER back up to code.
We merely got to get the building fit for somebody to come in. There's items that was broke, items that need to be brought up to code, state code, and that's what we're doing. We're getting it up to state code.
The price of those renovations, hundreds of thousands of dollars, but that money was always supposed to be spent on the hospital.
This is being funded by the sales tax that was for the hospital. People want to know what the funds were being used for. This is what it's being used for.
By doing this, they hope an outside company will come in and help them reopen.
We want to be ready for them. When we want to open this ER, and if we get it ready, it's much more presentable for somebody to come into it.
Walker says until that happens, they're not giving up.
Everybody's got to know that we're fighting. We're not going to quit doing that to get this ER open.
He believes once the ER reopens, the entire county could see its effects, medical emergency or not.
Businesses wanting to come in. Without an ER, some businesses are not going to come locate here. Once we get it open, all of that's going to fix itself. It's just a domino effect.
There's no word yet on when the renovations will be complete. In Pickens County, Zoe Blair, WVTM 13.